guys, check this out. Euro dollar is under the microscope. It's time for a bit of an update on this one. Just up until a couple of days ago, we had our hands full with the euro dollar. We were still sitting in a bullish position, and price was kind of edging lower. And we didn't like that, right? We came to the conclusion that the fact that price failed breaking 109.63 again for the third time, right? A very unique situation developed here, by the way. We had a triple bottom and a triple top at the same time, right? So price was pricing, a lot of resistance was coming from above, a lot of support was coming from below, and because of that symmetrical situation, we had to turn to higher authority, kind of, to figure out what's the real direction. So if we, the fact of the matter is this: price is trading inside a pretty wide range. It's stemming from the weekly chart. Check this out. This is the formation. One leg up, second leg down, third on the up again, fourth back on the downside, huge fourth, right? Looks like it's being violating, it's being breaking down, but this is easily being filtered out by the monthly chart. So price came back in, it was a legit move, and it went straight towards the upper section. But then, guys, this is what happened. This is why we're so suspicious that price is going to break up rather than break down, right? We just said price is basically caged in right between a triple bottom and a triple top, right? 107.93 on the bottom, 109.63 on the top. But just to come back to the story, price was on its way up to hit the upper section, and then it missed 111.53 by a tiny margin. Check this out. Highest high, 111.45, right? Almost 40, let's say 46. So we're talking about 7 pip. That's ridiculously tight. But it missed. Check this out. Here it was. On the daily, from the daily perspective, this is the moment. Price missed that area and went down. We suspect that the downside move that took us all this way, right, was a technical correction to this upside segment, which means price should be coming back up to complete the move, hit that 111.53, and probably drill deep into that upper section, possibly even breaking out eventually completely. But we're not going to talk about that still. We took this kind of a we've done some calculation that at this point, after price had failed to break 109.63, the risk was outweighing the reward. We got out, and we took a nice profit on the way out. But we're definitely interested coming back in, because we didn't change our conviction, our overview on the technical situation remained the same, right? We still believe in this bullish move. We just didn't know how far this downside move could go. We didn't want to risk the profit that we were able to accumulate here. So we took that move, right? We took that action from risk, risk management, money management point of view, so to speak. So we would definitely like to come back in, but this time, guys, we can't say just because it's a bit of a, prices are pushing up a little bit, we can't say that this is it, right? It's still too early to determine. So what we would like to see is price coming back and then starting to threat 109.63 again, because that's going to be a moment where we're going to feel a lot more comfortable to shoot, to open fire, right? Because a second attempt here so quickly will strongly suggest that price is not about to complete the move back on the downside, but it's coming back up, and it's going to break out this time for real. Okay, no more hesitations. That's our take. That's our interpretation of this, the technical picture here. It's going to be interesting to come back and follow up on the situation, guys. That's about that for the euro dollar. Forex Market Video Signals will be back tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.